Hey, it's Jazz with All Things Jazzy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. So today we're going to be making these red velvet cheesecake brownies. We're going to be using some cake mix to do these. So we're going to need 1 box of red velvet cake mix, 2 eggs, some oil. And for the cheesecake filling, we're going to be using 1 block of cream cheese, a half a cup of sugar, and 1 egg. And we're going to be using some flavoring in here. So let's go ahead and put the cake mix into the bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and add in the 2 eggs. And a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1/3. And once you have added everything together, let's go ahead and mix it up. Okay, so now that that's all mixed up, we're going to use this cake pan that I got from Dollar Tree, or should I say the $1.25 tree now. And I sprayed it with some cooking spray, and now we're just going to go ahead and drop the brownie mix into the pan in different places. We're not going to have them all together because we got to leave room for the cheesecake filling, of course. Okay, so some of these are too big, so I'm just gonna go ahead and break them up so that I can add more cheesecake filling in between. Okay, so now that that is all done, I am using the same bowl. I went and cleaned it off camera, and I'm going to add the block of cream cheese in there, the half a cup of sugar, the 1 egg, and I am just going to use my hand mixer to mix it all up, and I'm going to go ahead and speed through this portion. Okay, so now that that is all blended up and it's all mixed well and creamy, I am going to go ahead and add a half a teaspoon of almond extract, and I'm going to add a whole teaspoon of the cookie nib flavoring. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my spatula. Yeah, we're going to call this a spatula. Yep, that is what we're going to call it. And I am just going to go ahead and mix the flavoring in well. Okay, so now that that is all mixed up, I got the brownies back here, and I'm just gonna fill in the empty spaces with the cheesecake filling. And you can also, like, if you use a smaller pan, you can just fill like the bottom with the brownie mix and then just put the cheesecake filling on top and cook it. It all works the same. It'll still turn out to be red velvet cheesecake brownies. You can also do other flavored cake mixes like strawberry, banana, just vanilla, chocolate, whatever flavor is your family fave. Okay, so now that the cheesecake filling is added into the brownie mix, I'm going to go ahead and cook it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And here they are once they are done. I did cut them into squares. I added some white chocolate drizzle and some chocolate morsels, and also some walnuts. My house is smelling super good right now. You can see the cheesecake in between, so you get a kind of a bite of the cheesecake and the brownies. Alright, that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. You guys, if you tried these, leave me a comment below. Let me know what flavor you tried or what's your family fave. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.